Worst part of flying these big planes is setting them up at the field and then taking them apart afterwards. What's up, guys? I am terrified. Today we are putting up Air Force 2. If you guys follow me, you know that I got this Freewing AL37 as a gift from my whack job brother.
Yeah.
Where did you get this?
You're flying that.
A fucking airliner.
It's a 737 commercial airline. Wait. This is your captain speaking.
I flew it twice successfully. I wasn't that scared then. I'm terrified now because I fell in love with this plane and we spent a couple days customizing it. I had my girlfriend even doing a little pinstriping on it, and I think the plane looks amazing. But what good is a plane if she does not fly? Now, before I even get this thing in the air, if you guys like what you see, please subscribe. If this flight goes successful, I'm gonna have some guys follow me with some F-16s, F-22s. Just give me kind of a presidential escort. But yeah, I am scared. A little pre-flight, make sure the ailerons are working, elevator's working, rudder's good, full flap is working. I'm gonna take off with half flap. It's a little windier than I thought. I didn't think it was gonna be this windy, but it is. We're here, so I'm gonna fly it. Wheels are in, flaps are up. Bring it front and center. My hands are shaking right now. Alright, let me try to settle in a bit to these jitters. That way I could actually fly good, because right now my hand, look at my hand. I don't know why I'm shaking so much. I think it's the wind scaring the shit out of me.
Ooh.
Windy. Flaps are coming off. Back on the throttle. You only live once, right? We're gonna loop this thing. Oh, there she goes. You ever see an airline?
Oh.
What?
My.
What?
My finger was.
What happened?
My finger was in the...
No.
I gotta stop the video.
Alright, landing is down, flaps are out. Look at the wind blowing it. Cracked it. Official re-maiden was a success. Now I'm going to throw this little guy on to get some good footage. Again, I'm going to go professional with my glue. Got my hot glue gun. I got this little generator, electric generator out. If you guys are interested, I think I had the link. I'll leave that below. This is Insta360 GO 2. I'll also link this below. So I have an idea. I think I'll just glue it right there. And hope for the best. I got that first re-maiden jitters out. Now I'm a little nervous because of this camera. I hope the glue holds. But I think we're going to get a good view of this thing. So, oh, real quick, let me show you guys. For some reason, one of my flaps magically just started working again. Never mind. Oh, no, see, something's wrong with that flap. So I'm going to take off and land without flaps because that's not working.
Kelly in the flight path.
Is he landing here?
No.
Slight interference with that helicopter, but we are ready to go. Without flash. Right down center. I want to make sure that camera's still on. Wheels out. I'm going to do a touch and go.
What just happened?
I lost it. R.I.P. Camera's still on.
Ah.
That was a lot of work me and you put into this thing.
Oh no.
We got one survivor. I hope the president wasn't on there. That'd be a real casualty, right?
Man. It's because the stars weren't forward. That juju.
Could always be worse. I could have crashed into the car. Oh guys, this didn't age well. This was my favorite plane. I'm gonna sleep with this for a month. Just kidding. I'm gonna bury this in the backyard. Anyway, I will not be having a presidential escort, but I will be getting a new plane. So if you guys liked what you've seen in this video, I hate all of you, but please subscribe. Until next time.
R.I.P.
R.I.P.